Hi, I'm Skylar. The iPhone has a built-in GPS receiver, but if you want to use it with an external device, such as one made by this company Bad Elf, there are a couple different ways that you might connect it. They've got two different types of products, one that works with Bluetooth and another that's plug-in. So this is a 30-pin connector. It would work with iPhone 4S and older. The Bluetooth GPS would be a really good pick for somebody with an iPhone 5 or somebody who wanted extremely precise GPS. These things are really great, and as I said, it connects just with Bluetooth. So you would go in here to settings and go to Bluetooth, and any device that your iPhone could communicate with would be listed here. It would say discoverable, and you would tap on it, and then it would attempt to pair with it. Then you'd be able to open up, say, any sort of mapping application, offline maps, for example, and that external GPS receiver would receive a signal from the satellite and then send that signal to your iPhone via Bluetooth. Cool stuff. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.